Shocking demands of Bollywood actresses. Deepika Padukone. This leading lady of Bollywood once had a shocking clause in her contract that she would only work with A-list actors. This clause of the actress made Padmavat makers throw Vicky Kaushal out of the film. Priyanka Chopra. This actor is a global star now, but she has maintained one strict rule in her contract even in Hollywood. This actress has no nudity clause in her movie contracts and she is not willing to break the rule. This actress often throws tantrums on the sets whenever she does not like a scene or her outfits. Katrina Kaif. Though this actress lacks great acting skill, but she loves her shots to be perfect. For this reason, she demanded to reshoot some scenes of Fitur because she lost weight. The actress also demands a favorite photographer for photo shoots. Kareena Kapoor. Bebo is the tantrum queen and she is known for her shocking demands from the makers of films. One of her shocking demands is she will work only with A-list actors. Aishwarya Rai. This gorgeous actress has some shocking demands while flying in planes and keeps the flight attendant busy. She usually asks the attendants to place all the available dishes in front of her so that she can choose what to eat. Rekha. Evergreen actress also has some shocking demands and her main priority is to look good on camera. She even walked out of Fitur as she thought she was not looking beautiful enough in her look. Sonakshi Sinha. This actress has a strict no-kissing policy in her movie contracts. It is said that the actress has lost many good movies because of this rule, but she is not willing to break it. Sonam Kapoor. Sonam Kapoor likes everything perfect and she hates to wait for her shots. Once she even walked out of the sets of Mausam as the shot was not ready. Kangana Ranaut. This actress has some weird and shocking demands regarding her films and in personal life too. She demanded her solo poster from the makers of Judgmental Hai Kya. She even denied shooting for the film until the solo poster of her was posted. Vidya Balan. Usually she is very calm and poised and well-mannered, but during the shooting of Kismet Connection, she threw tantrums on the set. It is said that the actor hated the clothes and even threw them that Aki Narula designed for her and demanded a replacement. Sunny Leone. This actress has no kissing policy in her movie contracts. She even demands her husband as body double of his co-star to shoot intimate scenes. Malika Sherawat. This actress is known for her weird and shocking demands. She keeps on rejecting scenes unless she feels they are up to the mark. She even behaves like a diva on the sets of movies. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.